In our Flint River ecology study, we collect fish from the river and we weigh and measure them and we put them back into the river. But once a month we actually take out about 10 fish from a variety of species permanently so we can test their tissues for contaminants. Now the Flint River does have some fish consumption advisories, and this isn't unique to the Flint River. There are some fish consumption advisories across the state of Michigan in different areas. And this just tells you how many fish are safe to eat depending on whether you're of childbearing age or whether you're a child or whether you're an adult. But since about 1993, the Flint River has been had guidelines from the state that suggest that there are elevated levels of mercury and polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, in fish like carp, which suggests that you should only eat them about once or twice a year at most. And these are areas downstream of the Mott Dam, for example, in the Flint River. Now, more recently, in the last couple years, guidelines have included contaminants known as PFAS. And these just stand for polyfluoroalkyl substances. And these are just substances that are man-made chemicals that were manufactured through various industries since the 1940s. And what they found is that these chemicals actually do persist in the environment, meaning they don't break down, and they also don't break down in animals too. So when they get in animal tissues, they tend to stay there. They have phased out these chemicals, which is a good thing, but they've realized that they have some effects on human health. Now for the area that we're talking about in the Flint River, downstream of the Mott Dam and further downstream, they've suggested that smallmouth bass and largemouth bass, maybe just 6 servings a year for those fish because of those chemicals. And then also for rock bass, 1 serving a month is a good advisory for those. So basically what we're trying to do is collect different fish species at different times of the year and get a better overall health for fish by testing their contaminants, and get people that are interested in Flint River fish to have a better understanding of fish health before and after the dam removal.